Hello, lovely peoples across the group. Greetings to you all. I'm Mavis Nyako, Deroko Technology Official. It's an honor to introduce to you the man of the moment, our inventor, the philosopher, unthinkable, very passionate, Roxanne Kojo Deborah, to give us more detailed explanation on the functions of the spider sensor.
We have clearly notified how dangerous the whole world is facing on electricity. And I will make the impossibilities to become possible on earth. Deroko. When we hear the name Deroko, that simply refers to Deborah Roxanne Kojo, being abbreviated by the two letter words in front of it. That is my name. And I'm on earth on time to save the earth from dangers across the world. Everything I'm coming to do on earth is being in alignment with the nature. And when I talk, every organism, every creature on earth listen to me. That's why I, Deroko, I am not exempted in the climate change issue of the world. The Creator is on time, and I'm here on earth to change this era, transform the world, reset the world in a beautiful way. When human being is able to control the universe, everything on earth will be safe. And I will make sure that we will be able to control the universe. And I talk of authority because when I speak, every living organism listens to my words. Electrical problems will be solved. But where the world is heading towards to is dangerous. I know the future, but the world don't know the future. I know what is at hand. The world don't know. Scientists across the world are complaining that we must eliminate people on the planet. That is the solution to climate change. It is never true. Eliminating people will stop companies for producing toxic substances into the atmosphere. There is a question I must ask. Eliminating people will prevent electrocution on earth. That is what I must ask. Eliminating people will prevent agrochemical to kill insects which are here on earth to perform a specific task. It is never true. It is the brain that has been corrupt. We must make sure, authorities must make sure that they are being deceived by some intellectuals which know nothing but rather has read books of people who have died and gone. And now I'll make sure that I will put the world in the new era. And I will change everything in the power of the Creator. We will be able to control the universe by the powerful AI to prevent dangers from electricity, which is the spider sensor. Don't be in this analog system and complain of being given solar system to save your life. You are rather worsening it. Have you ever seen, or have you seen to it that every year the world records excessive drought, recording new level of heat in the atmosphere? The ozone layer is depreciating. What is the cause? We must eliminate the solar panels. That is fact. The secret at hand is by eliminating solar panels. We complain of the cell phone, and now Deroko, I tell the cell phone producers that the cell phone must give a lifespan of 3 good years for it to dead, turning it to mortality to prevent radiation, because the older it gets, the higher it generates radiation to the system. How much more electric cars that can lead to explosion? Even the fuel manufacturing car companies have some corrections that they need to work on it immediately, because every fuel car nowadays produces radiation in the atmosphere. We can control that by eliminating or removing the neutral from the body of the car and making sure that we can solve that. And bringing in Deroko new electronics exhaust containing a certain chemical that is being produced in the laboratory of Deroko to solve that problem. And when I demonstrate this electronics exhaust to the world, the whole world will clap and say, this is not the arm of human being, but rather he is God. I serve the Most High God. That is all. That is what we must say. I am on earth to do things impossible for human, but it will be possible in the arm of Deroko. It will be possible, sure. And I will never let the world down, because my battle is not of this world. I cannot be defeated, not in this world. There is the secret I am revealing to you. Never be in this analog system generated by purpose to go in there, buy LCD and other stuff. It is a scam. Go and buy tender arrestor. It is a scam. Go and check your earth so that your light bills, you will be protected from increment of light bills. It is a scam. You cannot protect such kind of things, but rather you need to generate device that can solve that problems. That's why I sat down in a decade to come out with a powerful 7 invention to save the earth from dangers across the world. I will protect the world from dangers from electricity, and I will protect the world from dangers from smoke, and I will protect the world from dangers from world pandemics, and I will make the phenomenon treat the air in which we breathe air sieve to filter the earth and produce oxygen in the atmosphere. It will perform the same function as trees. My words are powerful and they are authorized by the Creator. When wisdom speaks, everything on earth must be silenced. Wisdom comes from God, nothing else. I must admit that things that are problem to the world is normal and we can solve it. Things difficult for human being can be solved by Deroko. I will let the impossibilities become possible. From now onwards, people will not die at the bathhouse. People will be protected from fire outbreak. Properties will be protected. And everything. Because when you tell me to go and buy smoke detector, so that when my properties is burning, I should the sensor should alert me so that I can wake up and run away. When the device alerts me and I am unable to open my door, won't I burn? I will burn to ashes. Or when the device fails, I'll burn. You have given me fire extinguisher to protect myself from fire outbreak. It is never protection that you have given to me. Because a time will come, my property will start burning, and even I cannot go closer to that fire extinguisher. A faulty sensor that will tell me that one of your apartments is off will not protect me from danger. And even the whole system of this distribution board has corrupted the whole system. And we need to change from the analog to the digital system. And I'm here to change the phenomenon. Welcome to the new world. Thank you.